Excuse me. Jackson's sitting back at the corner.
He's dancing?
Yeah.
I can hold it?
Uh-huh. Keep pointing at him, though. You can see him. See him?
Hi, baby.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
No.
Hey, good one.
I want to see close to his eyeballs.
Now you gotta let it focus itself, so don't make people throw up. Not like he was doing.
That's better.
Don't touch that one. Don't touch that.
Take a picture now.
No. It's videotaping, Hannah. It's video.
So, Jackson, your name is Jackson? Your name is Jackson Rue?
Hagedorn.
Hagedorn?
Yes. Oh, I know what you're saying now. Yes, sir.
What's your dad's name?
Kevin Joseph Michael Hagedorn, but I call him Super Daddy.
Because, he carries you and your legs stick out?
Yes, he carries me and his legs stick out. And boy, do these fingers taste good.
When you sleep,
Whoa! Did somebody move the couch? Whoa! Whoa! Boy, do these fingers taste good. I can't help but leave because of these flavorful fingers. Yeah! Got anything else?
Yeah.
You got any more flavorful fingers?
No.
Or all your teeth. Keep it together there so people don't throw up watching me. Hi!
No, wait.
I'm the cutest baby ever?
Wait.
I said I'm the cutest baby ever?
When you sleep, your bottom comes up in the air.
That's because chicks dig it. Anything else?
Yeah.
Oh, I love these fingers!
You can eat your fingers.
They're good because they're tasty.
I can't go through.
Okay.
You're done?
No.
Let me hold it.
No.
Aww. Hi, Papi.